Assemble demo. Open the packing case. Please remove the screws around the box by cross screwdrivers. Remove the pearl curtain carefully, then take out the accessories. Separately the buckle rope. Hold down the buckle with both hands while pulling hard to pulling out one end of the rope. Then the buckle rope can be unlocked. More carefully to lift out the equipment by 2 or more people. Notice, lift the equipment basement as necessary when lift out equipment. Introduction of accessories. Prop. Document. Recover system deuse. Ground one. Adapter. Power line. Prop case. Bracket decorative case. Allen wrench. Monitor. Instrument installation. Loosen the bolt at the bottom of the bracket by Allen wrench. Lift the branch up and lock it. Install the bracket decorative case. Separate the decorative case. Install them at the bottom of the bracket. Tighten the screws. And tighten the bracket. Remove the 4 screws from monitor back. Fasten the monitor to the bracket. Place attention the direction of the monitor. And be sure the screws tighten well. Then connect the video cable and power cable. Be sure to tighten well. Adjust the bracket to right position by Allen wrench. And put down the monitor slowly. Put out the screw from the bracket. Install the bracket. Finished the monitor installation. Install the probe cases on the machine. Make sure install wear. About the probe connection, please plug and unplug probe must be in the shutdown mode. Please attention the direction of the probe. Insert the probe, lock it, make sure it's tightened well.